Hi, this is Justin from Realty Pilot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to process expenses. There are two ways to get to expenses with Concourse 360. The first way is to click the Add New Expense button in the top left corner. This will open up the Add New Expense window. Then fill out all the information needed. Click Save to complete. Here are a few features in the Expenses tab. To add a vendor paid date for an expense, make sure the box under Functions is clicked. Then click the area under Paid Vendor for that vendor to add a date and click Save. Do the same for submitted and received money dates. To create an invoice or a receipt, click the checkbox to the right. Then choose the button Create Invoice. You'll get a pop-up window. In this window, you'll enter Paid to the order of information, the invoice number, and invoice date. Then click Save. One thing to note in the Expenses tab is when a vendor under Paid Vendor is highlighted with a green color, that means an invoice has been created for that expense. You have the option of creating an individual check or create one total check for multiple expenses. To do that, make sure the checkbox is checked for that vendor and choose Individual Check. Fill out the information and click Save. To make one check for all the expenses, make sure all appropriate checkboxes are checked for that vendor. Click the button for one total check. It'll show you the description of each expense and who you're paying the order to. Input the check number and check date, then hit Save. To review any and all invoices, receipts, and checks that have been made, choose the green button with the plus sign. This will bring up all the documents associated with that expense. Click any PDF that you wish to view. Here you can also void any checks. Check the box on the right for any check you wish to void, and we'll put a large void mark across the check. You can also upload any files you need by choosing Select File in the top left. After you're done, click Save. If you need to email any documents, check the box for each expense, then choose Email Selected Docs. Fill out all the required information. At the bottom, check the boxes for each document you want sent. To send them all as one attachment, check the box above the documents, give it a name, and then click Save. To edit multiple dates at one time, check the function box for each vendor, choose the first or topmost date in that group, then select the date. Then, to show the date for that row, click the checkbox next to Submitted. You can do this for both paid vendor and received as well. This concludes our tutorial on processing expenses. If you have any further questions, you can join our live chat support on our website. And thanks for choosing Realty Pilot.